Greetings for the day all. In this particular demo I will be showing our object ID renumbering tool. So which is used to check for the redundant IDs of object ID and then to fill the empty or zero object ID numbers uniquely. Okay, go to cat tools ribbon and then open lab tools here. So in the lab tools you will find object ID renumbering tool with O. Okay, so in your file, if it is not able to see, you are not able to see it, then check for updates and accept the updates. Automatically it will populate for you. Now double click this particular line and it will open our object ID renumbering tool. So initially it will fetch us all our categories and then our item types, and by using these two check lists, what we can do is we can select any number of or filter a specific category or specific item type. Okay, now I am selecting everything here. So I am going to show you checker tool. So what this actually checker tool does is this actually checks for redundant object IDs. If there are any redundant object IDs, it is going to populate to us for fixing purpose. So what I will do is, instead of having everything, because it is going to take some time here, so I will just enable some of the item types here, and let's see there are any issues in this particular list. So once I click on run checks, it is going to populate all the data for me, and then it will check for all the redundant IDs and then it will populate if there are. Okay, so for this one there are two issues are there with the list. So the view is working but manual updation is not working at present. So currently autofix is updating. So what autofix does is, so automatically it fixes this element to a unique value. Okay, whichever the element you want to fix it, you can click on that autofix and it will fix that particular element to a unique value. So once it is updated, then this will be removed from our list. See, it has been gone. So next, fine. So now fixes are 0. Now I can, this particular button is enabled. So what this button does is, whatever the elements which are having either 0 or empty object ID number, for those elements it will update a unique object ID number. Let's click on this one. See, it has successfully updated. Okay, so now what are the things we have selected? So these are the things. Now what I will do is, I will click run checks again, so to see whether these fixes have been done successfully or not. I should get 0 fixes here. Yes, so 0 fixes. Now I will run auto renumbering, so there is no element which has been updated. Okay, it means that our tool is running successfully. So this way you can select all item types, or you can specify a specific item types also. Okay, so if you have tried it out and if you have any issues or any questions, please let us know so that we can resolve it. So thank you very much.